All right, so for the case study, not a lot to really say about it. You have the question. I mean, you have the scenario, you have the situation, and this is the rubric. Okay, what are we looking for? We're looking for you to do these things and do these things well, right? I think if I had a big complaint about previous work, I would say I don't want the sense of reading. Okay, I don't want you guys reading your cards. Okay, you need to be comfortable enough with the material so that you're not reading. Now, if you have to use your cards and you're using some index cards or some notes to get you through a big point or a tough point, that's fine. But your slides should help guide you to what's going on. Also, the other thing that's not good is big gigantic PowerPoint slides. Okay, what do I mean? There's a rule of thumb that you should have. I don't remember exactly what it is. I'd have to look it up. But you should have no more than 5 lines on a slide with 5 or 6 words per line. Okay, so what does that mean? That means to draw out giant definitions of things and then to sit there and read it on the slide is not good. Okay. So case study rubric, demonstrate working knowledge of the issue, right? You need to be able to talk about it. What's the impact on the industry? What else here? Includes realistic and innovative strategies within organizational restrictions. Okay. For this case, you're not going to say, well, we're having $100 bill night. Okay, every person that comes to the door, we're going to give them a $100 bill, $1,000 bill, right? It's just not. It's not realistic. It's not within reason. It's it's not within budget, right? Next one, same thing. Presentation provides effective recommendations within budget restrictions. Presentation includes development of any partnerships. Okay. If you are going to, for example, if you're going to do partnerships, I want names. Okay, I don't want mythical. We're gonna go with the Great Elks Society of Reading. Okay, like if that's a thing, then make it sure it's a thing. Okay. Good flow, right? I want this to. I want you guys to understand the limitations that are going to be available, that are not going to be available. The limitations that are going to be there with doing this online. Okay, so it certainly means some practice, of some sort. Okay, presentation in professional fashion. I will have industry professionals there. I'm going to shoot for finals week to do the presentations, and I'm going to see what the collection of their schedules look like. Okay. I don't want the shotgun approach where you give me 400 solutions and it's up for me to decide which one I like the best, right? I kind of like to know what your number 1 idea is, your number 2 idea, your number 3 idea, whatever. Okay? I think that's it. Hope that helped.